English can be tricky, and even the smallest mistake can change the meaning of a sentence. In this video, we are going to explore some common English mistakes that might be holding you back from expressing yourself confidently. From verb tenses to word choices, we will break it down and show you how to get it right. Let's dive in and improve your English skills together. Common English mistakes that we are making in our daily life. To making these mistakes, he did a mistake. He did a mistake. In correct form, we say that he made a mistake. He made a mistake. Don't say she is married with him. Instead of she is married with him, say that she is married to him. The correct form is she is married to him. Next we have that is I have a good news. Don't say I have a good news. Say I have good news. I have good news. Don't say in English, she said me to come. She said me to come. Say, and the correct form of this sentence is told me to come. She told me to come. This is the correct form of the sentence that you are watching. That is, she said me to come. That is incorrect, and the correct one is she told me to come. We have that is I didn't went there. I didn't went there. The correct form is I didn't go there. I didn't go there is the correct form of the sentence that we have. I didn't went there. That is incorrect form, and the correct form is I didn't go there. Sentence we have that is I'm good in English. I'm good in English. That is incorrect. In correct form we have that is I'm good at English. I'm good at English. That is the correct form of this sentence. I'm good in English. We have I need some advices. I need some advices. That is the incorrect form of the sentence. And next is correct form, that is I need some advice. I need some advice. Don't say in English he speaks English good. He speaks English good. That is incorrect form. The correct form is he speaks English well. He speaks English well is the accurate and other way to say in English. Let's discuss about the problem. Let's discuss about the problem. Don't say let's discuss about the problem. Say, and the correct form of that is let's discuss the problem. Let's discuss the problem. Next we have that is don't say can you explain me this. Can you explain me this. Say, and the correct form is can you explain this to me. Can you explain this to me. Don't say I'm looking forward to meet you. Don't say I'm looking forward to meet you. The correct, and you can say that I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more English tips and tricks.